All right, so the government now again, has followed through on its intention to prosecute Windalco for the chemical spill in the Rio Cobre in St. Catherine. Now, Senator Matthew Samuda, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, confirmed on Wednesday that the required notices had been served on the company for the process to begin.
The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, had announced last Friday its intention to draw down on the full 771,000 US dollars, or more than 115 million Jamaican, environmental performance bond, and to suspend the company's environmental permit. He said Windalco is also required to replenish the performance bond in order to continue production or any further use of the facility.
Yeah. So we have put together a list of things that Windalco should pay for all the persons who were affected by the spill. That is one.
So we have a little list of a little list. One, I would say compensate the fisher folk and farmers for all their losses.
Pay the light and water bill for everybody for the next 3 years.
Hey, yo, pay. Yeah. I feel like I work around here. I live around here.
I work around here.
Provide groceries on a monthly basis for all households for the next 3 years.
Provide health insurance, this is it, for everyone for the next 10 years. Full
Pay
coverage.
Tuition for the children in the affected area from early childhood to tertiary level.
Wow.
Some of the things that last one is still kind of rough, but yeah, I do agree with the
insurance.
The insurance. I do agree with compensating the fisher folk.
Sure.
Definitely. There should be some in terms of the health insurance, because you never ever. I mean, with these chemical spills, you don't know the effects of it. Sometimes it's not immediate. Sometimes it's years, sometimes in probably a generation after you see it.
You know what I mean, can never understand. It's like the people that we choose to be leaders in certain fields, the people that who we choose as ministers, the people who we vote in, are people that are supposed to be leaders in these fields, right? How is it that nobody don't know nothing until fish start dead? Them know, which is my point. Like, they've been knowing all of these things. But anyway,
who knows?
That's something to think about while we're away. So Daytime Live will be right back, and we have chat when we come back. We're so forward.